Hey, let's do some eyeshadow today. We are going to be testing and reviewing the brand new Makeup by Mario Glam Quad. We're also going to be testing out the Hourglass Unlocked Mascara, and I can't wait to show you how I did this look. And I'm going to let you know at the end of the video if it's really worth $25. Ouch, that hurt my pocket. So in case you're interested, then keep on watching. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to Cat's Eye Beauty. And if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I'm over 50 years old and I love testing out makeup and skincare products, everything from drugstore to high-end and everything in between. So if this type of content interests you, please consider subscribing. I would love it if you would be a part of my family. So we are going to dive into this look with the eyeshadow palette Makeup by Mario, the Glam Quads. These just recently released from Sephora as well as his website, and I couldn't wait to dive into this look for you. We're going to find out how it swatches, how it performs, and if it's worth the hefty price of $25. $25 may not seem like much, but when you're only getting 4 shades, I want to make sure this is going to be a cohesive eyeshadow palette where I can get an easy, quick look. He does have the Master Mattes eyeshadow palette as well as the Master Metallics. I'm wondering if he pulled from those palettes to create the Bronzy Glam, the Rosy Glam, and the Party Glam. So I was trying to do some research on that and I couldn't find if these were brand new or not. Leave a comment down below if you do know if these are brand new shades or if he pulled from those particular palettes. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Foundation and concealer already on. I just went in with the EXA High Fidelity Foundation and my Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue concealer. So today we're going to go ahead and prime our eyes with the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. Oh, I think I put on too much. Way too much. Yeah. But this is a much creamier formula than the MAC paint pot. It's a lot brighter too, so it'll cancel out any of my veins, my age spots. So now we are ready to dive into Glam Quad in Bronzy Glam. We have 3 shimmers and 1 matte shade here. What I want to do is I want to go in with BG4, Biggie 4, I don't know. I'm going to take it on a Morphe 507, and this color did not swatch all that great. And it's a very deep color, so I'm kind of hesitant on going in first with this color, but I'm just going to go ahead and stamp it right on the outer corners of my eye. Just using, ooh, splotchy, hello. Just kind of tapping that in. There we go, it's a little bit better. I'm just going to try to bring it all the way up and come across, almost like in a C shape. And just tapping that in. I do love this color. It's very rich, extremely dark, right on my brow bone. I'm not using a lot of pressure on there, and I figured with less pressure, I don't want to lay down too much of that color because it is very pigmented. I'm just going to take a clean BH Cosmetics brush. I'm just going to take that and just tap it in and try to blend that out and up. And come up, bringing it above my crease. Now I'm going to go in with BG2. It's this mossy metallic green. See how that swatches? Isn't that stunning? And I'm just going to put it all over my lid. Oh, that's pretty. Going back into BG4, I'm going to try to stamp this out and give it a little bit more color and blend it into that mossy green, just to soften it up. And then take this and blend it out. Nice. Now I'm going to take BG3 and I'm just gonna pop it right in the middle of my eyelid. Pretty. Now on a rougher brush, I'm gonna lightly go in with BG4, tap off the excess, and I'm just gonna run it under my lash line. Now with the same rougher brush, I'm gonna go in with BG1, line my inner corner with that. And then I'm going to go in with BG2, Biggie 2, and smoke that out here. Now on a Sigma, I'm going to take that same BG1, pop it into the inner corner of my eye. And bring it up. And whatever's left on that brush, I'm just going to hit it right under my eyebrow. Now on a tiny MAC brush, I'm going to get some setting spray and I'm going to use my Smashbox primer. And I'm just going to go ahead and give it a little squirt. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take BG4 and I'm going to line my upper lash line very close to the lash line, almost to give it like a eyeliner effect. I just want to blend it out a little bit more. And this is just a clean brush. I did not put any more product on there and I just want to soften that up. Now with Wayne Goss's Precious Opal Kohl eyeliner, I'm going to go ahead and line my waterline. And then smoke out my lower lash line. And with that same MAC brush, I'm going to go ahead and soften that lower lash line. Now I'm going to go ahead and curl my eyelashes and we are going to be testing out the Hourglass Unlocked Mascara. Now for mascara, let's dive into the Unlocked Mascara from Hourglass. I've heard some amazing things about this mascara. It's supposed to be a tubing formula. You know I love Thrive Cosmetics mascara, the tubing formula. And I'm hoping at this price point, this is just as good, if not better. It is completely beautiful. Packaging is stunning. This is actually my first Hourglass product. It's very weighty, so I can't wait to try this out. So let's go ahead and open her up. Right off the bat, I do love the applicator. It's one of those small silicone types. So let's go in with mascara. Oh, holy smokes. This, wow. Oh my goodness, look at that. Wow. Look at these lashes compared to these. Are you kidding me? Holy smokes. That is stunning. That's stunning. Okay. Oh my gosh. One coat. That's it. Whoa. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Stunning, stunning mascara. This is amazing. Worth every single penny. This is golden. Get it? This is golden. Okay. So let's go ahead and pop on the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. Final look. Now for blush, I went in with the e.l.f. Putty blush in Tahiti. I've been absolutely loving this putty blush. It just adds just the right amount of pigment onto my cheeks, and it's hydrating as well. And for lips, I went in with Flower by Drew's Petal Pout Lipstick in Ruby Rouge. And for highlighter, I also went in with Flower by Beauty's Pyramid Highlighter and Cheek. But yeah, so what do you think about this eyeshadow look? And is it worth $25? Now remember, the Master Matte palettes and the Master Metallics palette runs for $48. You get 12 shades. This retails for $25 and you get 4. That's $6.50 per shade. This is not a really good deal in the grand scheme of things. I may be Asian, but I'm not really that good at math. Can you get a cohesive look out of this? I think it would be perfect if it had 2 mattes in the quad. That way you could have like more of a transitional color. This worked as a transitional shade, and then packing it on to the corner of my eye to get more definition, but you really had to blend it out to get a softer look, which I don't mind, but if you're in a hurry, then you don't have time for all that blending. These shades are beautiful. I particularly like BG2. It's a beautiful mossy green shade. I mean, what's with all the greens coming out? The shimmers did swatch beautifully. The mattes, not so much. I'm telling you, for $25, I don't think it's worth it. There, I said it. Are they unique? No, I've seen these shades before. It would have been perfect if there was another matte shadow in the quad. That way you could have a more cohesive look. Is the quality good? Absolutely, the shimmers are stunning. The mattes, a little bit tricky to work with. If you're not used to blending a great deal, then you might have a little problem with that. You want to go in sparingly, particularly with this color, unless you really want to stamp it out on the outer corner of your eye and get more of that definition. But all in all, I'm kind of disappointed. And another caveat, even though this packaging is beautiful and simplistic, I can see myself getting makeup all over it and getting dirty, but that's just my opinion. I hate to say this, I always say this and get disappointed by quads, but you can get affordable quads by e.l.f., the bite-sized crush palettes. Those are only $3 and they're much easier to blend, more cohesive than 3 shimmers and 1 matte. Let's talk about the mascara. Oh my goodness. This might be my new holy grail mascara. I know I've only used it once. I love the applicator. I love the formula. I love how it made my eyelashes super long and luscious. I think I like this better than the Thrive Cosmetics mascara. Seriously. This retails, I believe, for $29, but I did get it on the VIB Sephora sale as well as the Makeup by Mario quad. I'm only VIB, so I didn't get that much off, but I love this mascara. This, not so much. This is stunning. But yes, in my next upcoming video, I will be doing a collaboration with several other YouTubers on a holiday-themed collaboration, and I can't wait to share that with you. It's going to be our top 5 holiday must-haves, and I hope you tune in for that. I also picked up a brand new drugstore foundation, and I can't wait to test it out for you, because Lord knows we need some more affordable makeup, right? So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I would love it if you would be a part of my family. And for more reviews on skincare, check out this video up here. And for more reviews on foundation, check out this video over here. But for now, mwah, mahal kita, I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. And you think, ah, crap. Excuse me, I didn't mean to say that. It's on foundation. Really? Who is calling me? Way too much. Yeah.